What's up, everyone? It's Alex, answering viewer questions again. Here we go. Today's question comes from Pavel, and I'm going to assume that it's pronounced Pavel. It's spelled Pavel. If it's not Pavel, I'm sorry. So we're going to do this in two parts. Pavel started off with, my question is if you could advise me one thing. Currently, I'm on my first big motorcycle, Vstrom 650 old model. Want to move on and change for something more agile in a way, stuck between a few motorbikes, Yamaha BT 1100, Honda CB 1300, or Vstrom 650 2012. I'm 6'1". I like sport touring experience. Could you give me a bit of advice on which motorcycle to choose? Or you might think of some different one for taller biker. Thank you. I asked for some clarification on that to basically ask if Pavel just wanted a bike that handled better or a bike with more power than the Vstrom 650. So Pavel came back and said most of what they're looking for is a bike in that same category that's as all-weather friendly and everything, but has more power for getting out of the way and overtaking, and just has more options in the power department if needed. So I have to start by saying, and this is hard for me to admit because it doesn't happen very often, but I do not have much experience or knowledge with the BT 1100 you're talking about or the CB 1300 you're talking about. I have not been able to get my hands really on either of those motorcycles to be able to ride them and know what I'm talking about. So I'm not going to talk about those two motorcycles because I don't want to talk about them if I don't know what I'm talking about. And on a BT 1100 and a CB 1300, I don't know what I'm talking about. What I will say is, in that same Vstrom 650 category, which is the adventure touring slash kind of oversized dual sport type category, I do have a lot of knowledge on some fantastic bikes in that, so that's what I'm going to stick with. First off, Vstrom 650, amazing motorcycle, proven record, great all-around motorcycle, great motorcycle you're riding right now. That being said, if you want a bigger bike in that category, just as all-weather capable, good for tall riders, but you want more power, check these out, sit on them, see what you think. If they don't work out for you, back to the drawing board. First off, try out the 1000cc version of the same bike you're already riding. You have a Vstrom 650, you want more power, the very first thing I would do is find and check out a Vstrom 1000 if one is available in your area. Vstrom 1000, same kind of a platform, but bigger, more motor. It's a heavier bike because it's a bigger bike, but Vstrom 1000, basically you take a Vstrom 650, you give it a way bigger motor, you have a Vstrom 1000. So if they're available in your area, you can find one, try a Vstrom 1000 first. After that, I would look at a Yamaha Super Tenere, if they're available in your area again. Super Tenere is a 1200cc parallel twin from Yamaha in that adventure category. Fantastic bike. Loved them when they came out. I've loved the revisions to them since then. They're not going to be inexpensive. That is a little bit of a pricier bike, even used. If you can find one used, they're still going to be a little bit pricey, but in that category, they're worth every penny. I love Yamaha Super Teneres. I think for the size and weight of them, they handle very well. They're very smooth, very refined, plenty of power. So if you can't find a Vstrom 1000 or it doesn't work out for you, see if you can find and sit on, check out a Yamaha Super Tenere, 1200 cc's of Yamaha Adventure Touring Awesome. Try that one out. Failing that, I would also check out a Honda Africa Twin. Talk about a 1000cc adventure bike again. The style can be a little back and forth. People either love the way those look or really don't like the way those look, but you're already riding a Vstrom, which is a polarizing motorcycle style-wise anyway. So Vstrom 1000 won't work for you. Yamaha Super Tenere won't work. See if you can find a Honda Africa Twin. All the power you're going to need again. Nice tall bike, adventure category. Same kind of, same idea as the Vstroms, but, you know, more power than the 650 Vstrom as well. So add a Honda Africa Twin to the list if you can find one in your area. Honorable mentions. Ducati Multistrada. Multistradas are awesome. Multistradas handle incredible. Amazing bikes, all the power in the world. Most areas, it's harder to find one of those than the other bikes on the list, and that's why it's further down. If you can't find the other bikes, but you can get your hands on a Multistrada, you're going to have a little bit higher maintenance costs on it usually than these other bikes, but it's a piece of motorcycle artwork. It handles amazingly, and it's got all the power in the world. If you can't find the other ones or don't like them, check out a Ducati Multistrada. Also an honorable mention that is still not as easy to find as the other ones, but an amazing motorcycle nonetheless, KTM Adventure. Get your hands on a KTM Adventure if you can't find the others. Again, amazing motorcycle, great handling, plenty of power. Most areas not as easy to find as a Vstrom 1000 Super Tenere Africa Twin. Probably on par with a Multistrada. can't find any of the other ones, or just don't like them, you can also try out a KTM Adventure. Again, it's usually going to have a little bit higher maintenance costs than the Japanese motorcycles are going to that I mentioned, but very good honorable mention. I have to put it on the list. I did spend a while with a KTM Adventure bike. Loved it. Very, very, very nice motorcycle. Hopefully that gives you enough stuff to look at. I don't want to overwhelm you with too many things. Those would be my top recommendations if you have a Vstrom 650 and you want a bigger motorcycle in that same kind of category, more power, but without sacrificing a lot of handling or anything like that. Check out those bikes. Recap real quick. Check out a Vstrom 1000. Check out a Yamaha Super Tenere. Check out a Honda Africa Twin. If none of that's going to work, check out a Ducati Multistrada. And check out a KTM Adventure, okay? Hopefully you can find them used. Hopefully you can find them in your area. I know this varies a lot area to area, but check those bikes out. I hope it helped. If it doesn't, leave me another comment. We'll do another video. We'll do as many as we have to get you where you need to be, okay? I'm Alex. Peace.